Hello, I'm Robert. Welcome to Din Talks. Today, we will be taking a look at the best upright vacuum cleaners you can buy today. And as usual, we have the links to all the vacuum cleaners mentioned in this video in the description below. And be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Hoover T-Series WindTunnel Pet Rewind Bagless UH70210. Have a little furry monster in your home wreaking havoc on your floors and furniture with its hair? No problem, especially when you have a quality vacuum like this one from Hoover, made specifically for pet hair. It features an air-powered pet hand tool to easily remove pet hair from floors, as well as a pet upholstery tool to get those little strands and fur balls off your furniture. It also comes with a 12-inch extension wand and a crevice tool for hard-to-reach-to spots. The vacuum weighs less than 18 pounds and has a folding handle, which makes it great for small storage spaces. A 25-foot cord can be retracted neatly inside thanks to the cord rewind feature. And there's a 5-position carpet height adjustment for all your flooring needs. The WindTunnel sucks well and is easy to clean. And while it's not silent, it's pretty quiet when in use. Number 4. Bissell 9595A Vacuum with 1 pass. Not willing to spend a lot of money on a vacuum right now? No problem. You can still find a good one for a low price. This corded one from Bissell is a great option. A #1 seller in its category, the 15-pound upright has a powerful suction and innovative brush design that helps it pick up more debris on the first pass. It also comes with a turbo brush tool that works well for stairs, furniture, and upholstered items. The dirt tank is easy to empty, and the foam tank filter is washable. It's easy to use and gets the job done well, especially for the price, though it's likely best for a home that would only require light cleaning. In other words, not a heavy trafficked office. Number 3. Eureka Airspeed Unlimited Rewind Bagless Upright Vacuum. If you hate winding up the cord when you're done vacuuming, this Eureka might be for you. It features automatic cord rewind with just the push of a button. And if you hate stretching to reach certain spots, it also might fit the bill. There's a 27-foot cord and a 12-foot deluxe stretch hose, but most importantly, it's also a solid performer at a great price, owners say. With its on-off brush roll, this 16-pound Eureka can tackle both carpet and hard floors, and its dust cup is washable. There's no annoying bags to buy and install. An allergen filter helps cut the amount of dust swirling around your house, and the included stair and upholstery nozzle, crevice tool, and dusting brush make quick work of most jobs. Picky about color, it comes in blue, green, and copper. Experts give it very good marks for suction on all kinds of floors and say it's especially good at grabbing pet hair. But noise gets more ho-hum ratings, and allergy sufferers should note that they warn about dust emissions while vacuuming. Number 2. Hoover Links Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner BH50010. If you don't want to be tied down to a cord, consider a strong cordless stick vacuum like this one from Hoover. One of the worries of cordless vacuums is the battery life, but this one features an 18-volt lithium-ion battery which runs on average around 20 minutes after a full charge, according to one customer. It's great to have on hand for quick pickups, especially if you live in a small apartment. It's not as bulky as others, so that's a plus when it comes to storage as well. Crucially, it cleans well and is easy to use, two very important things in a vacuum. Number 1. Shark Navigator Liftaway Professional NV356E. This vacuum from Shark wins the top spot for upright vacuums thanks to its reasonable price, quality performance, and smart design. Not only is it an upright vacuum, but you can also detach the canister to clean hard-to-reach areas. The appliance also comes with anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, which means it traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Great for people who suffer from allergies. It features a dust-away hard floor attachment as well as 2 washable microfiber pads. Not only does it pick up large debris from floors, but also small particles of dust. And finally, it's a lightweight machine weighing in at 13.7 pounds, making it easy to tote around the house and up the stairs during your cleaning sprees. There are a few cons, such as how easily it tips over, poor edge cleaning, and the fact that there is no light, which makes it hard to vacuum in dark spaces. But overall, it's a quality machine for the price. And a bonus! Auric Magnesium RS Swivel Steering Bagged Upright Vacuum. If you're wanting to invest in a more expensive vacuum, consider this one from Auric. It's got some pretty nice features that will make vacuuming seem less like a chore. Because it's so powerful, it moves easily, feeling like it's self-propelled. You can also really get under beds and other furniture since it can lie virtually flat. There's also a HEPA inner bag that captures at least 99.97% of particles in the air. Whether you have long pile carpet or wood floors, this vacuum will do a job and it's worth the extra money. While it's a bagged vacuum, it's super easy to change the bag thanks to a feature that prevents dust from being spilled out. It's also lightweight, a little more than 7 pounds, and easy for people to use, even those with arthritis. Thanks for watching.